Assalamu alaikum students and welcome back to MediLingua Hub. In today's lecture we are going to solve some important past paper MCQs based on English spelling rules. These questions have already appeared in previous exams, which means they are highly important and may come again. So I will read each questions with options, give you a few seconds to think, and then share the correct answer with explanation. So stay focused, attempt honestly, and let's see how many you get right. Let's start with the first MCQs. Which is the correct rule for forming the plural of bus? Which of the following words is spelled correctly? Which rule explains the spelling of happiest from happy? Which plural form is correct from tomato? Which word follows the rule drop the final E before adding able? Which is the correct spelling? What is the correct plural of knife? Which word is spelled correctly? Which rule applies to running from run? Which is the correct spelling? Which of the following is the plural of baby? Which word is spelled correctly? Which rule explains the word bigger from big? Which spelling is correct? Which of the following is correct plural of leaf? So students, I have solved all these MCQs and the following lecture और इसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है. So students, great job, we have completed these past paper MCQs on spelling rules, and I hope you found them helpful for your exam preparation. Tell me in the comments how many you answered correctly, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MediLingua Hub for more important exam based lectures. See you in next session. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.